Students, welcome in Advait Education channel. Today we are going to solve practice set 1.4. Question number 1. If n of a is equal to 15, n of a union b is equal to 29, n of a intersection b is equal to 7, then find n of b. You can use the formula n of a union b. The formula of n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Now put the values. N of a union b is given 29. This 29 is equal to n of a 15 plus n of b not given. Write down as it is n of b minus n of a intersection b 7. This 29 as it is 15 minus 7 8 8 plus this n of b as it is. This 8 is positive, it goes to opposite side, negative means minus 29 minus 8 is equal to n of b. 29 minus 8, 21 is equal to n of b. Therefore, n of b is equal to 21. The answer of n of b is equal to 21. Question number 2. In a hostel, there are 125 students, out of which 80 drink tea, 60 drink coffee, and 20 drink tea. Tea and coffee both. Find the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. You can find out the number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. ऐसे कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो कॉफी और टी कुछ भी नहीं पीते हैं. Total number of students n of u. Total number of students are how much? 125. Means total number of students n of u is equal to 125. After that, the number of students who drink only tea. The students, how many students are drink only tea? 80 students. Means n of a is equal to 80. Now after that, the number of students who drink only coffee. How many students drink only coffee? 60 students drink coffee. 60 students drink coffee. And what is remaining? This 20. 20 drink tea and coffee both. 20 students drink tea and coffee both. Means the number of students who drink both tea and coffee. How to show? N of A intersection B is equal to 20. Why you can take A and B? क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पर कॉफी और टी के लिए A और B लिया था. Same you can take here. N of A intersection B is equal to 20. Now what you have to find? The number of students who do not drink tea or coffee. You can find out the N A union B. What is the formula? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. Now put the values. N of A 80 plus N of B 60 minus N of A intersection B. How much? 20. 80 plus 60 140. 140 minus 20. 140 minus 20 120. Means N of A union B is equal to 120. Now you can subtract this 120 from the total number of students. Therefore, number of students who do not drink tea or coffee, do not drink tea or coffee means n of u minus n of A union B. N of u is how much? Means total number of students are 125, means 125 minus n of A union B 120. 125 minus 120 how much? 5. Therefore 5 students do not drink tea or coffee. Now next question. Question number 3. In a competitive exam, 50 students passed in English, 60 students pass in mathematics, and 40 students pass in both the subjects. None of them fell in both the subjects. Find the number of students. Now see, 50 students pass in English. English में 50 students pass हो गए हैं. मैथ्स में 60 स्टूडेंट्स पास हो गए हैं और 40 स्टूडेंट्स दोनों भी सब्जेक्ट में पास हो गए. नाउ यू कैन फाइंड आउट द टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स. एग्जाम को कितने स्टूडेंट्स बैठे थे वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु पास्ड इन इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश में कितने स्टूडेंट्स पास हो गए थे? 50. मीन्स एन ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू 50. आफ्टर दैट द नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु पास्ड इन मैथ्स. मैथ्स में कितने स्टूडेंट्स पास हो गए थे? 60. मीन्स n of b is equal to 60. Now the number of students who passed in both means n of a intersection b. कितने स्टूडेंट दोनों भी सब्जेक्ट में पास हो गए थे? 40. means n of a intersection b is equal to 40. Now again same use the formula. n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Now put the values. N of a 50, n of b 60, n of a intersection b 40. 50 plus 60 110. 110 minus 40 how much? 70. Therefore n of a union b is equal to 70. A union b means total number of students. Therefore total number of students is 70. एग्जाम को कितने स्टूडेंट्स बैठे थे? 70 स्टूडेंट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. A survey was conducted to know the hobby of 220 students of class 9, out of which 130 students inform about their hobbies as rock climbing and 180 students inform about their hobby as skywatching. There are 110 students who follow both the hobbies. Then how many students do not have any of the two hobbies? How many students of them follow the hobby of rock climbing only? How many students follow the hobby of rock climbing only? How many students follow the hobby of sky watching only? एक सर्वे किया था. इन दैट सर्वे 220 स्टूडेंट का सर्वे किया था स्टैंडर्ड 9 का. उसमें 180 स्टूडेंट को स्काई वॉचिंग पसंद है, मीन्स उनकी हॉबी स्काई वॉचिंग है, एंड 130 स्टूडेंट्स की हॉबी है रॉक क्लिम्बिंग। तो आपको यू कैन फाइंड आउट द हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ देम फॉलो द हॉबी ऑफ रॉक क्लिम्बिंग ओनली एंड हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स फॉलो द हॉबी ऑफ स्काई वॉचिंग ओनली। एंड 110 ऐसे स्टूडेंट है उनको दोनों भी हॉबीज है, रॉक क्लिम्बिंग भी है एंड स्काई वॉचिंग भी है। Now solution: total number of students. Total number of students are 220. Means n of u is equal to 220. The number of students having hobby as rock climbing. How many students have hobby as rock climbing? See, 130 students. Means n of a is equal to 130. The number of students having hobby as sky watching. How many students? Sky watching 180 students, means n of b is equal to 180. Now the number of students having both the hobbies. कितने students है? See, 110 students have both the hobbies. Means n of a intersection b is equal to 110. Now use the formula n of a union b. N of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. Now put the values. N of a is 130 plus n of b 180 minus a intersection b 110. 130 plus 180 310 minus this 110. 310 minus 110, your answer is 200. Means n of a union b is equal to 200. Now find out the number of students without any hobby. ऐसे कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं जिनको कुछ भी हॉबी नहीं है, वो कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? n of u minus n of a union b. n of u is 220. 220 minus n of a union b is 200. 220 minus 200 means 20. The number of students without any hobby. How much students are there? 20 students. Next you can find out the number of students having hobby as only rock climbing. For rock climbing, n of a is there, means n of a minus n of a intersection b. N of a is how much? 130. Means 130 minus n of a union b is how much? A intersection b. A intersection b, how much? 110. 130 minus 110, how much? Again same answer, 20. Now the number of students having hobby as only sky watching. For sky watching, n of b. You can take n of b minus n of A intersection B. N of B is how much? 180, means 180 minus A intersection B. How much? 110. 180 minus 110, 70. Means the students without any hobby, 20 students. The number of students having hobby as rock climbing, 20 students. And the number of students having hobby as sky watching, how many students? 70 students are there. Question number 5. Observe the given Venn diagram and write the following sets. This Venn diagram is given. First, you can write down the set A. A is equal to, in set A, which elements are there? See, ये इतना है ना set A. This is set A, means which elements are there in set A? X, Y, Z, M, N. You can write down that elements X, Y, Z, M, and N. Now set B. See, this is your set B. In set B, which elements are there? P, Q, R, M, N. P, Q, R, M, and N. These elements are there. After that, A union B. In A union B, all the elements are there. X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, M, N. In A union B, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, M, and N. These elements are there. Fourth, write down the universal set here. In set A, means in A union B, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, M, N, and these two elements are also there, S and T. In universal set, these all elements are there. You can write down one by one. First, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, P, Q, R, and these two elements, S, T, M, and N. M, N, S, and T. Next, complement set of A. Complement set of A means which elements? P, Q, R, S and T. जो A में है वो छोड़कर दूसरे एलिमेंट्स, रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट्स यू कैन राइट डाउन इन कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ A set, which P, Q, R, S, T. P, Q, R, S and T. Next, complement set of B. In B, which elements are there? P, Q, R, M, N. वो छोड़कर remaining means X, Y, Z, S, T. X, Y, Z, S and T. And last, complement set of A union B. To write down the complement set of A union B. A union B's complement set means A और B में जो एलिमेंट्स नहीं है वो छोड़कर हमें दूसरे. नाउ सी, A and B, which elements are there? X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, M and N. ये एलिमेंट्स छोड़कर which elements are remaining? S and T. Means complement set of A union B, which elements are there? Only S and T. Thank you.